We are covering PL-300 Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comments. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To get the complete list of questions and answers, click on the playlist link provided in the description. Our question is, you are creating a Power BI model and report. You have a single table in the data model named product. Product contains the following fields: ID, name, color, category, total sales. You need to create a calculated table that shows only the top 8 products based on the highest value in the total sales. How should you complete the DAX expression? To answer, drag the appropriate values to the correct target. Each value may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between the planes to scroll or view the content. See this given table. This is the correct answer. Moving to our next question. You are creating the sales report in the Power BI of the Northwest Region sales territory of your company. Data will come from the view in the Microsoft SQL Server database. A sample of the data is shown in the following table. Kindly see the given table. The report will facilitate the following analysis: the count of order and the sum of total sales by the order date, the count of customers who placed an order, the average quantity per order. You need to reduce data refresh times and report query times. Which two actions should you perform? Each correct answer presents part of a solution. Option A, set the data type of the sales order number to decimal number. Option B, remove the customer key and product key columns. Option C, remove the tax amount and freight columns. Option D, filter the data to only the Northwest Region sales territory. The correct answer is option C and D. Next one. You are creating a Power BI model that contains a table named store. Store contains the following fields: name and data type, store ID, whole number, store name text, city is text, state or province has the data type of text, and country has the text. You plan to create a map visual that will show store location and provide the ability to drill down from the country to state, province to city. What should you do to ensure that the locations are mapped properly? Option A, change the data type of city, state, province and country. Option B, set summarization for city, state, province or country to don't summarize. Option C, set the data category of city, state, province and country. Option D, create a calculated column that concatenates the values in the city, state, province, and country. Correct answer is option C.